Good morning, everyone. Hey, I'm going to come on here this morning and show you something really fun that I'm learning with my makeup. I have only one eyebrow on right now. So I'm going to show you one of my powders that I used for that today. And I used my light complexion powder, what did I call it, baby's bum, on my face. So I got that all smoothed out. And then on my cheeks I have my beetroot powder. And on my eyes, I did something really interesting. I have white on the lid, and because I do have a white as well. And then on the crease, I put the darkest color I have, which is the smoke signal. And then over that, I put the beetroot. So it actually made it look like just a tiny bit purple, which is really cool. Okay, and on my lips, I use the powder, the mauve sienna, just in the center of my lip here. And then around the outside of my lip and the top of my lip, I used the taupe color, okay? And then I just put gloss over it. So I think that's really cool. It just was so easy. All right, and so on this eyebrow, I used the taupe color. I got to thinking, which one is closer to my hair color, the milk chocolate or the taupe? And I know the taupe has some gray in it, but believe it or not, it was closer to my actual eyebrow pencil that I normally use. This is CoverGirl, and I'm pretty sure it's light, soft brown, okay? So this is called Soft Brown from CoverGirl. This is what I've used for years and years and years. And if you look at it, it's actually the taupe color of the powder that I made. I couldn't believe it. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So I got this brush that is kind of like the bristles are firm, but it's nice and rounded and blended. So it doesn't collect too much powder, and I couldn't believe it worked so well. So I'm going to do the other eyebrow. I'm just dipping this and then little tap. And let's see if I can get the other one to look as the same. Of course, I probably have to look over here on my other mirror. And you just do small strokes and it just goes right on. I couldn't believe it. I told myself I would have to make some eyebrow powders, but I think between this one and the milk chocolate, that'll actually cover probably a lot of you guys as far as the colors that we're going to need. Have you used powders before for your eyebrows? I have before. I like it. It just, I don't know, it just works really good. It looks really natural. All right, almost done here. That will probably be good enough for now. I'm usually let me see, if I'm looking from a distance, sometimes that helps me. All right. Wow. I don't think any fallout on that. Nice. Yeah, I think if I was real particular, I could get it a little bit more in a couple of these little spaces, but I can't see quite close enough to do that right now. Anyway, so that just really impressed me. I was like, wow, I have eyebrows today. And look, they're the same color as my hair. Can you believe that? So that's the taupe color. Wow. Full face practically. The only thing that I haven't made yet is this mascara, but I'm working on a mascara. And then there's one more thing I want to show you really quick. You guys are going to get excited about this. Okay, you see this cute little tube? I bought these, and they're just adorable. Pink and blue, and they're nice and shiny and smooth. And it does have a different brush that you might think. Really skinny, right? And it cleans the brush as you pull it out. I'm going to use this for my hair growth serum so that you guys can apply to eyebrows or eyelashes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to actually practice this right now for the first time live. I've got my hair growth drops right here. I'm going to take this little dropper off so that I can dip in there for right now because I haven't filled this up yet. All right. So, in fact, I think what I can do, let's see if I can get this in here. I need a refill. There we go. So this isn't going to be wiped off, so let me go ahead and put it in here now and see if it comes out clean. Well, looks fine, I guess. Let's see what happens here. Feels like a good amount is going on there. Let's see. Ooh, I just love the way it just straightens out all those hairs. Makes them look thicker too. But it also helps to grow the hair. So it's gonna stay stronger and be healthier and everything. Ooh. All right, so this feels just a little wet. And then you just let it dry. And then it will not have anything shiny on it once it's dry. And then that's going to help set those all day. Nice. I'm going to do this other one real quick. Has anyone ever used this kind of a spoolie before? This little skinny thing? I don't think I've ever... Look how thick these eyebrows are, guys. It's because I use this all the time. Wow. Okay, so just for fun, I'm going to see what happens if I put this on my mascara. It's probably going to mess it up. You're supposed to usually put the hair growth serum on your eyelashes as an eyelash primer before your mascara, obviously. But I was getting excited and I already got my mascara on. All right. Well, that wasn't so bad. Didn't mess anything up. Anyway, so now that's on there. And my eyelashes will grow extra today. Awesome. All right, so do you guys have any questions for me? I will say that I am going to be making a tinted moisturizer. And so look forward to that. And I have a face lotion that I'm making that is turning out really good. My daughter's been using it for me and she says she really likes it. And I did bring this milk chocolate color down. It looks like my actual hair color almost, but the taupe for some reason did better for my natural color. But I think if I wanted to bring in just a tiny bit more red, I could just go over it just to darken it up. All right, well, thanks for watching, you guys. This has been so much fun. I've always loved makeup, and of course it's been a while since I've been wearing makeup. I know you guys are used to seeing me without makeup on. When I first started my YouTube channel, I always had on so much makeup. So anyway, but it's fun, and these are natural colors, and you can do so many different things with them. Get your comments below, and remember that I'm getting my makeup line ready for April 10th. Talk to you later.